What's going on, everyone? I'm back here with another unboxing video, and in this video I'm going to be just showing you guys the Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter for the iPhone and iPad. Now this adapter is not compatible with the new iPad Pro that uses the USB-C port, so this is only to be used on iOS devices that have the Lightning connector, which basically all iPhones up to this point still do. But yeah, so effectively what this adapter is allowing you to do is basically giving you a USB 3.0 port for your iOS device that you can connect effectively anything to it that supports USB 3. And with the newly released iOS 13 that came out in the past few months, it now allows you to have full file support from external drives. So this adapter will allow you to do that, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take it out and see what it looks like. You got this here, standard. But anyway, here's the adapter itself. So let me go ahead and get it off of this cardboard. So it's basically a very just simple Apple-styled adapter like we see with every other adapter that Apple sells. So you have the standard Lightning connector on this end here. Nothing special there. And then, of course, down here you have the USB 3.0 port there. And then that pass-through for power. Now, another thing to note with this adapter is that if you try to connect a device that requires too much power, your device will not allow you to connect to it. So you would actually have to connect the power to use that device that requires a larger amount of power than what the Lightning port supports. But I will be making a dedicated, detailed video on this adapter and basically what you can connect to it and how to use it and various things. So that will be in a separate video that I will be having here pretty soon. But that is basically it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what the adapter looks like. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Make sure to stay tuned, like I said, for that detailed video going over what you can do with this adapter and what you can connect to it using iOS 13 compatible devices. And so yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Really helps out the channel. Hit that thumbs up button as well. That also is very greatly appreciated. And if you have any questions or comments or anything of such, just drop those down below and I'll make sure to get that back to them as soon as I possibly can. And with that all being said, hope you guys have enjoyed once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.